My birthday.
Info.
Which one?
Emergency
Just lah,
contact
yes.
information.
Birth date.
Teacher.
What? Your the date when you were born. Do you remember the date, the day, the date, the month, the year?
Yeah. That's right.
The emergency contact information on it.
Your parents, mother or father?
Yeah. Teacher, she's having trouble with your father only and mother. So that's why
Mother
she's...
lah. Hindu.
Thank you.
Relationship. Teacher. Relationship. Right.
இது என்னடா போடுறது
Mother.
இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்
Come, let me help.
The last one will do, right?
Your hobby, at least your
Malaysia
hobby.
தானே
lah.
நம்ம?
Yeah, Malaysia.
இங்கிலீஷ் ஒர்க்கு
Training job.
That only your hobby. The down one only hobby.
Should I need to write the full form or what, teacher? The address. Should I need to write the full form address?
Which one?
The address.
You don't write the full
Done.
address. Don't write full address, Naman. Just write your place where you're staying and then the.
Like the condo name.
Yeah.
Can
The bag also must fill up.
Kita jumpa saja.
ya orang-orang Kerachi tu
Tapi ada call kan?
Ya.
Dah dapat kan?
Ada. Dia dekat pusat sumber.
Did you want to call my mom?
I won't call except for this one telling you it's for record keeping actually.
Writing only lah, teacher.
No, I won't call except if I need to.
Kalau boleh.
If you harm yourself, anything happens, anything go wrong.
Teacher, ask her to lace up your shoes.
Why?
Ask her, teacher, ask her.
Huh? I think teacher.
என்னது
Yeah, she cut your hand. Using
Using knife, teacher.
Hey,
Cutting
knife no,
and hurting herself.
teacher's
Like,
knife
you know the
teacher
small-
knife teacher
Not teacher knife. We
Blade,
used to
blade.
cut paper.
why?
Because depression.
No, teacher. Because some this kind of love.
Is it?
And they make some trouble.
Teacher, not
Cut.
she only do that.
Same teacher. Then she also got me.
she also good
Eh? See,
No,
teacher.
I don't think so. Let me check your hand. Show me. No. What is that?
How she cut?
She harms herself, teacher.
என்னோடயா
If you get serious, I have to call your mother. So if you don't want me to call your mother, don't do anything stupid.
Good teacher.
ஏன் அம்மாலாம் நான் குளிச்சார விட்டா எல்லாமே
see,
சரியா
write your mother's name on the form also.
No.
Check a form, write your mother's number on the form.
Oh, hobby என்ன? Hobby சொல்லு.
அட்ரஸ்
Address,
saya சொல்லணும்ப்பா
Hobby என்ன பண்ணுவ?
handphone number, kalau you ada lah.
siapa punya
Okay, you punya.
saya tak ada phone
Nama mak ataupun father, handphone number. Saya mau.
Teacher, this one. You don't go on. The first
Have you
one.
gone for counselling? Yes, you've gone for counselling, right?
Teacher, I don't remember my email address.
Never mind, it's okay.
Sorry, Madam Min. Apa tu? Dia nanti tak kunci tu dia mereset dengan Cikgu Fatira kata dia dah biarkan dia buka aircon yang depan bagi sejuk. So nanti kalau dia nak prepare awal, dia nak set up apa laptop apa semua, you boleh masuk awal lah.
Okay, boleh dalam satu lebih saya akan masuk lah.
Boleh kalau nak standby awal. Tu je.
Teacher, for this, what should I choose? Mine or my father's?
Dia mana basic tahu.
Emergency contacts.
Masuk dia apa?
Emergency contact. Your father or your mother's name? If you got a handphone number, write the handphone number also.
Mine and my
Yeah, hobby,
father's.
yeah.
This mine.
Yours is here. This your father or mother's one.
Okay.
Umur.
Hobby. What's your hobby? What do you like to do when you're free? Listen to songs, exercise,
Exercise.
read book.
Teacher.
This one all you can put 0. If you're not having anything, you can put 0.
Okay, teacher.
Kecap hari.
Relationship. Father.
Father.
Orang tua yang boleh tu.
Teacher, what is?
Teacher done.
Ini tak payah. Tak payah.
Ini tak payah.
Tak payah.
This.
Tak payah.
Teacher, for phone number, should I use my name? My
Nama lama Faudi.
This is your
my
number.
father's.
Okay. Okay.
This one mine.
Kita kena kalian meh kali.
Home phone.
This is home number only. Your number is here, is enough already.
Okay lah.
So hobby, your hobby.
Jadi. Kalian, mana ini? Mana perlu lah?
Hongle take anytime.
Teacher, what's mean this? First one.
This one, if you got no any problems, you just can put 0 lah. All.
Teacher done.
Because you got no depression, you got no anything, right? You got any issues with your parents' divorce, or you feel like you're depressed.
Sikit-sikit.
You depressed ke? Betul ke?
Ini kalau tu 0 pun nanti. Yang kita pun
Saya rasa you lebih pada masalah attendance lah. You tak suka masuk kelas kan?
ini masih. Thank you.
Teacher, for this, can I do no?
Is that only? Just the back. The back,
Oh, so this one need.
yeah.
So this. If I have means, should I need to
Just
do
put
what?
0. If nothing is, just put 0.
If I have.
If I have, put 1. If you put 2 is serious already lah. So just put 1.
Yeah.
She got a lot of problems. Then why she 0 0 0 0 0? I also don't.
What's the problem with your parents, or with your loneliness, or with your past hurt, depression? Are you scared or what?
For Amma.
Hah? Mana?
Stress, mood swing?
Mood swing-na mood மாறும். அவரnya stress ஆ.
No, you're always happy. No, mood swings are people who are very
ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் கோவமா இருப்பேன்.
like at first they're very happy, then they get sad, then they cry. I don't think so. I don't think so. You have any of this. I think I'm not mistaken. No.
ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல. நீ ஏன் லூசுவே பேசிட்டு வரான்னு தெரியல. லாஸ்ட்டாக பாரு மூணாவதாக இருக்கேன் அது என்ன அர்த்தம் லாஸ்ட் 3
Alcohol issue,
அது தெரியும் நீ
violent, sexual.
கம்மனாட்டி
So
மூணாவது
what
என்ன
is
அர்த்தம்
grief?
Grief means that you are feeling sad, very sad. You lost something, you lost someone who you love.
அதான் எனக்கு
ஏதாவது ஒரு alcohol issue இருக்கா?
இல்லை
Alcohol குடி. 0 போட higher.
வயலன்னா
Violent-னா எப்படி தமிழ்ல தெரியாது.
செஞ்சுக்கிறியா தேவையில்ல
Violet.
வாட்ஸ் மீன் violent
Like to use vulgar words, like to fight, like to beat people.
அதெல்லாம்
That's not good, teacher.
அதை நான் 3 போட்டுறேன்
That's not good.
Esteem. What is it, teacher? Self-esteem.
Confidence, your confidence level.
நான் வந்து வாசம் ஓப்பன் போட்டேன்.
அதுவும் ஒன்று தானே
அது என்னைக்கு தான்
Oh, you teringat nama handphone you?
தர ஃபோன்
Oh.
ஃபோன் சொன்னேன்.
கேட்டாங்க உங்க கூட பேசி தான் எங்கள் அம்மா ஃபோனே சொல்கிறாங்க தெரியுமா
You pernah counselling ke dulu?
No.
satu kali 2 kali
Kenapa?
sudah target
Saya tahu attendance issue, tak suka masuk kelas.
Ini malah saya.
Sebab saya pernah dengar banyak kali pasal you berayar-ayar dekat sekolah.
Ya kontak. Teacher.
Jangan risau, semua
Please
antara
call me
saya,
teacher.
you dengan Colin saya saja.
Teacher.
Okay, done.
Podi Pagi தமிழ் தெரியாது
யார் சொன்னா? MS யூனிவர்சிட்டி அனுப்பு.
Okay, siapa nak mula share dulu?
start
No lah, let them do the
Oh, last kali lah.
yes.
எல்லாம் எப்படி
1,
போட்டிருக்கேன்
2, 3. Okay.
கம்பெனி பிடிச்சோடனே
ஃபோன் வேர்ட் தெரியும்டா.
பேங்க் பண்ணுமா
Start first. Teacher like this.
Hey,
He start first.
he start first
He start first.
she
He start first.
She's young.
apa boleh je
Teacher, please teacher first.
budak kecil dulu nanti
Date of birth என்ன?
betul betul.
அதுக்கு பத்தி teacher.
22
She October, so she start first teacher.
Ah, teacher better.
You start first.
Ah,
Ayo, please lah.
cheese better lah.
Hey, anybody please.
Day,
anybody lah
day start.
Okay, men's first, guys first.
Why, teacher?
Because you are a gentleman.
Yes,
Yeah.
gentleman.
Gentleman first. Lady second.
Teacher, you don't know the rules, ah. Ladies first, teacher.
You know that rules
Ladies
are,
first
you are
when
gentleman.
we serve them food, serve them drinks.
But still ladies first, ma.
yes
Boys are gentlemen, ma.
Yeah.
First lah,
Okay,
don't
sure.
waste the
Day.
time.
மூடு
Day.
What's that?
Day. Senang ஆம்பளத்தை விட்டு தொலைச்சிடாத சார்.
You want ready lah, later have cocoa lah. Cepat.
அதான்டா டீ சப்பட்டா.
Chapu, kirunda. Chapu.
டீ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி தொலைங்க.
சாப்பிடுறது நீதா
Teacher,
Okay, you start
he's
first.
elder than you, teacher.
I start teacher.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Perfect.
girls
Start
first
about
my name is
You are free to share. You are free to leave out all your livings, your feelings. You feel not happy, you want to say out anything, you can say, you can share whatever you want to share with me. So don't be shy or don't be scared. What do you want to share?
Hi teacher, my name is.
நம்மளுக்கு இல்லாத பிரச்சனை இருக்கு நிறைய பிரச்சனை இருக்கு
Body dynamic. So I have some problems about study. Study. The teacher about study. So
I know you're going to sit for SPM next year.
Yeah.
So now you are like stressed lah.
Yeah, depression.
Okay, you're going through very, very high stress level. But what kind of problems you have in terms of your studies?
I cannot remember science teacher.
Oh, okay.
Remember science teacher. Konyagan also very stressed teacher. That is my problem with that.
So what are you doing currently to solve the problem? Are you writing short notes? Are you like asking the teacher? Are you asking
I
your
asking
friends
teacher.
help?
But teacher explain also
Then you got tell to teacher that you can understand.
I also tell teacher many times and teacher say if you cannot you just drop it.
As simple as that. But drop also they will not allow till you get approval from the class teacher. So how?
So I want to continue Konyagan teacher.
What is very hard for you in Naga? Because Naga is just reading, right? What you can understand? Like what? In terms of what? Memorizing or the terms?
How to say? I forgot.
Oh, you forget. That means you read, you study already, then you forget. Did you go home and read?
I go home and read again.
Do you write short notes? Now, keep on practicing, keep on writing short notes, keep on going home, read at least 2 hours a day. Slowly you will pick up. Don't worry.
Okay, teacher.
Keep on doing that. Did your friends like share their experience? That tell you how to study, the techniques? Did they share with you? Did you ask them? Because maybe your friends they can help you. Did you ask your friends how they are coping up with the subject?
I also cannot remember teacher. They are also stronger in Konyagan.
There should be 1 or 2 who are smart, right? Maybe you must approach the smart students. Sorry, who can help
Smart
you.
student also like sometimes stronger to what? Struggle to understand.
So basically, your whole class is struggling to understand. Any from different class, like because they also take Nagan, right? Like I think 5B or
5C.
5C they take Nagan, so you can ask any of your because they a bit advanced than your class, right? Because they're taking basic account. No. 5A. Any friends from 5A who's taking basic account? You got a friend from 5A. 5C you got a friend.
Yes.
Anyone who's taking Nagan also?
Yeah.
Got try to ask.
No.
Maybe you should ask the one who can help you. Maybe you should be more focused in the class. Don't play a fool. Listen to teacher. Listen to the teacher's advice. Maybe then you can cope up. Okay? Be a bit serious. Like your other 2 friends, I see the 2 girls. You got 2 other close friends, right? In the class. The
Yeah.
girl wearing tudung one.
Yeah.
She I think she's quite smart, right? She can help you. Maybe you can ask her help.
She asked me to help teacher.
You help each other, study, exchange your ideas, write the short notes, exchange, teach each other. Then you can learn better. When she teach you, you teach her, and then you share ideas, exchange your ideas. You can still score good results.
Okay, teacher.
Anything else?
Hey,
Durga.
teacher,
Yeah.
she is not finished yet. She is not finished yet.
What? I'm finished, teacher.
H-A-R.
Teacher,
Hurry.
she has
Correct.
been loving a guy in this school from 5C. And then he had some family problem, so he had to break up with her. From then on, she gets stressful, teacher. She can't concentrate anything, teacher.
I located him, teacher. I forgot him.
No,
Good lah,
teacher.
you're recovering, right?
Yeah, I recovered him.
Every time she call me and tell about him, teacher. Then
Teacher. Because
tell teacher.
the guy. No, teacher.
சொல்லு
Sheesh.
tell.
Just tell.
I'm okay, teacher. I move on already, teacher.
If you are not okay, then please share with me because he is telling me you are not okay yet.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm telling the truth. If you open my phone, teacher, every day, so many
Message
calls
from him.
from her.
If she calling him,
Whatever he
Just
say,
as a friend, teacher. Because the guy only taking the punyagan, right? That's why I asked some question. Maybe, teacher. Maybe.
oh, you have crush on him, but he doesn't know, is it?
no, he know, and they both was loving that, and then he had some family issues, so he break up. Because he already he has an ex, like he is already loved, and she break up with him, right? And then he come and love with her and couple. After that, the ex come and ask him to
Break up with her.
break up with her and come back.
Love triangle. lah.
Yes.
Are you too young to do that?
So now I move on already, teacher. I never think about him.
Just like you are asking about your studies lah.
Hey,
Hey, sometimes I ask mathematics question lah. You ask him. Go.
what if I call him?
Yeah, can.
Is it this one?
Yes.
5C.
If I say
Yes.
Harish, teacher,
Harish.
the one who very tall one, Indian.
The one with the short guy.
Yes.
What is his name? I don't know.
Sharvin.
Yes.
Sharvin, the shorter, and
They sit together, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I know.
கண்ணில் தண்ணி வந்துருச்சு ரவி
Teacher, teacher.
எத்தனை டீச்சர்
Anything, think twice before you act. Don't do anything stupid. Because I don't hear anything from Miss Amar anymore that you're having crush, stalking the stairs, hanging around or what.
Not me, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
வண்டி மூணு முறை
Because of them, she kena one.
Yeah.
In her house, the mother and father always shout at her. Because they are telling that you are the big sister, so you must show a
Good example.
good example for your sister lah.
Yes.
But
And
she is not
also-
taking it, teacher.
Show a lot of another
Stress.
stress.
depressed
Good.
Like because of
If you feel
her.
like want to cry, want to break up, let me know. You are free to do that here. Because no one here. They don't bother also. The counseling teachers here are here to help you. So if they see you, never because they are adults, you are still children. You are still children to us. So don't take things serious. Even though we don't close the blind, also everything is within us already. Okay? So don't worry. Because I think don't think so they're here also. So you're free to share whatever you want.
Because of her sister, every time she gets cold at her house. And some night she called me and cried about what happened in their home. So I know what she is going through, and now she is lying that nothing happened in the house.
Nothing, I'm okay.
I know what you're going through because the day I got called her mother also. You know, the day in the sports, you asked me to message her and ask her to allow you to come for the practice. Then she told me that she's sick. But I didn't know your mother and father having problem with them. I don't know. So sorry to hear that. They are still together?
Yeah.
But they are having some misunderstanding.
They are okay.
Okay. But only they argue because you and your sister lah.
Yeah.
Don't give your parents problem. Come to school, study, focus. Don't think of boyfriends. That will happen later, not now. You're too young for that.
Yes.
Just focus on the studies and SPM.
Yeah.
Next year you go SPM. And by later I'm having program, you know right, the score smart, study smart. Later at 2 o'clock. Will be my program. Oh, you're from 4.
Yes.
And by later I'll show you some tips what to do. I'll have the program today. I'll give you the notes, how to do your short notes later. The next session, I'll share with you all my what I did today. I'll share with you. Then you will get a bit of tips on how to study. Okay? Durga,
Yes, teacher.
your turn the next.
Hari.
Did that guy?
Teacher, the teacher.
He's fighting for you.
Yeah, she actually, yeah.
Already actually still fighting for you. Yeah, actually friends lah.
Just friendly.
Please, I don't hear anything from the Amarapita because I've been hearing a lot. You and you, but the 3 of you from Miss Amar. You because you contain class. She because
She also contain class.
that day once he was late, right? Because they caught you and him on talking in the stairs. One Amar caught you and him talking in the stairs. And then you all deny it. You all says you are sister and brothers. Happened, you know, right? This thing happened, you don't know.
She also kena lah teacher.
Ya, tu lah.
Aniki
Last 2
mati
weeks.
lah.
Last 2 weeks.
அன்னைக்கு ரேஹா டைம்ல நானும் நீங்க
Then when I asked our friends, they says one Amar called you to the discipline room for asking you all why are you all like talking in the stairs.
Friends படிக்க எனக்கு தெரியாதா?
உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் ஒன்றும் தெரியாது.
Okay, Durga, what do you share with me?
வேறு
Whether you says you want to tell me something. What is troubling you? Sure.
If you don't mind, can you off the aircon?
Okay?
Just like you.
கிளாஸ்
Durga,
You must not be shy, no, talk.
Durga.
Talk. Maybe I can solve your problem. You go to teachers outside.
என்ன பிரச்சனை உனக்கு எல்லாம்?
Because then you going to the discipline room again. Better you talk to me. Better you talk to me.
சொல்லிடு.
Because when one Amar call,
பிரச்சனை இல்லாமல்
you know right, first time they will do counseling, second time, third time they will gantung. So if you don't go to the extent, better you share with me now before you go and see her again. Okay? So what do you want to share with me? Don't tell me your friend will tell a problem. If you say nothing, he will open the mouth and tell me what's happening to you now. Because I heard, don't get angry. Then once when I went to your class, I relieved your class in the Pusat Sumber, I asked for you. But at that time I didn't know you yet. Then they says you missing. You went out with him. Then you got share with me also last week during the practice that you are a couple with him. He's coming to your house. But you can't do that in school. I told you can't do that in school because school is the place where you study. You cannot like couple or do things that teacher doesn't allow or the school rules doesn't allow. So I also noticed you talking to him the stairs few times and then he follow you. And I told you he cannot be following you. Because when teachers see, they'll have a bad impression. You can't be lying and telling the teacher that he's your brother forever. They respect. So now, what is your solution to your problem? What do you think you're doing? Don't be shy.
Should I start?
Huh?
Should I go?
Don't be shy, Durga. Tell everything to teacher. Cepat. Tak ada masa.
What's the time? 20.
120.
Yes, sekolah sudah
Eh,
habis.
dah dah.
Yes, rehat. Go to
140, I'm going to stop already.
Better teacher. She won't open her mouth. Teacher, even she had a small thing, she got over her. And then cry. Whatever she can do, she will do.
Why you cut your hand?
Market.
Let me see your hand.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, this is bad lah. How many times did you cut?
After she cut one time. Oh, eh.
Ah.
Better to cut. Better. No need to cut lah.
Even small thing, teacher. She got her.
Okay, now please be serious. Don't laugh. Why you cut your hand? Just tell me one reason why you cut your hand.
Mama sendiri.
Tell. This is time for you to talk.
Because of love problem,
Yes, teacher.
have 35x.
My goodness.
Teacher, still young, but going through so much of X. Love break up, she got her. Break up, she got her. Until she get a new boyfriend, she won't stop to cut her hair.
Benar
I'm
tak?
so sorry to hear this. Do you think this is normal?
Enggak lah soalnya.
God or anyone, you see, look at our hands.
Benar itu benar. Repeat benar.
That means each time my boyfriend give me like cut your hand.
அது போடு.
Hey, the watch.
Watch it. See,
Oh lah.
hand teacher.
No, teacher. Saya budak baik. Mana?
Umur you dah 16 tahun kan? You lagi besar daripada dia. You kena ajar dia lah buat cara benda yang betul. Tapi
Boleh.
you ikut
Satu
dia
kali
pula.
boleh ajar lah.
Dia pun ikut juga.
Jangan ikut.
Dia ikut dia.
Saya sudah dengar semua masalah dia hari tu.
Dan cikgu angkat dia ikut dia.
Tapi sekarang you on your part jangan ikut dia. At least kat sekolah. Okay? Dekat luar, dekat rumah dia, you boleh jumpa dia. Tapi couple dekat sekolah tak boleh. You tahu kan school rules. Tak boleh couple dekat sekolah, tak boleh bersama-sama dekat sekolah. Tak boleh buat apa-apa dekat sekolah, kena belajar. Saya kena dengar lagi you ikut dia dekat tangga ataupun dekat mana-mana. Okay? Tolong So good lah. This Monday I tengok macam you tak ada dekat dengan dia lah. Dia seorang-seorang sudah hari tu. So good. I told you right, don't. Because your safety is important. You're a girl. Anything can go wrong. So please take care of yourself. I advise her the day. I told her don't. So you understand how picture is it for everybody? Okay, you? Because you told me you got something to share with me.
Budak kecil dulu.
Okay. Like I have some family issues to share. Like my father and my mother divorced 2 years ago, and when they divorced, until now, they are keep on like pull sides, you know, like okay, I need to be I and my brother need to be with my mother, but my father said like no, I need a child. What you need? And they are forcing together until they make them stress, and I can't even do anything. I love my mother and my father. 2 years ago, it was a happy family. Now, we have been divorced. My father lost all of his work, everything. Now he's okay a bit. Like he is having partnership with their friends. Company now so hard teacher to go up. Sometimes when I don't have food to eat in our house because my mom made some, you know, the culturistic, the more bomo, right? Understand? They did some and we lost everything. Even my mom, I lost my brother, I lost my younger brother.
சுவிட்சு போக லாக் பண்ணிருக்க
Tapi diorang nak sesi dulu nanti saya bagi dia.
Sebab lepas ni diorang kelab kan?
Okay.
Diorang ada kelab. Kenapa?
Diorang tu.
Kenapa diorang tak sempat rehat?
Okay, nanti saya bagi dia.
Sebab you pun kena set up kat atas tu, you kena set up awal. Dia ambil apa?
What's the plan? Diorang terdilah ada diorang.
எனக்கு கேட்காம விட்டா நான் ஜாலியாக இருக்கும்டா.
Ambil.
You're okay to share, right? Later also I can eat, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறா.
I lost my brother that I loved. He was actually I like him. Whenever I'm happy, it's always with him. Nowadays I'm not happy and I'm not going out with my father. And when we go home, when they divorce, when they divorce, when I finish my school, I go home.
Hari.
My mom asked me, "Do you eat what happened in school?" So I share with her, and then I go mandi, and then I eat. She will make dinner, and then I went to playground play, and come to house eat, sleep. That's all. Now, after my mom go, there is no one in our house who need to cook, washing clothes, and no one there is no one to ask what have you been going through, because my father also having some too many stress. He have a lot of loans that he need to pay, about 3 lakhs, and we are still struggling to get up. I don't know where do I need to relieve my stress. So last year I was vaping, and my brother was like, he don't know what to do, and he had a lot of mental stress because he was the big brother. So anything problem always stress him a lot. So my brother also vape, and I too vape when I was 30 years old. Like when I was Form 1, I vape, and now I quit already, but still that day I was in science class, and my classmate who Chinese boy who bring vape to school and phone, and just give me to try in the magma science. I didn't hesitate to not taking, but I do vape at the place not more sense. And now it's going to a big problem until I'm going to go. My father already having a lot of financial issues. The best school I get this only. I don't have cousins. I only have friends that is in their school. That's all. I don't have cousins. I don't have anyone to relieve my stress. So I started to vape and I quit and I now continue the vaping.
Did the teacher caught you that day?
Yeah.
So you're going to disciplinary action now?
Yeah.
Meeting Puan Amarla?
Yeah.
Did your father come to school?
Yeah.
So you say it's going to be Guang already?
I'm not sure, but teacher Amar asked me to write rayuan to give cikgu pengetua. So if my father come and talk to pengetua, if pengetua okay means I don't need to go out.
Okay, understand.
Now I can't even pindah to another school because my brother is studying here and now he is from 5. He can't change school because it's going to trial soon. It's going to trial and we need to do XPM, so he can't move on to another school and had stress and he can't even do anything. And that's why I'm scared of him, whether his studies will affect. Yeah.
Is he in this school?
Yeah. Kita restaurant the pengawas.
Oh, okay. 5S. I know the boy looks a bit like you. The pengawas, right?
Yeah.
But he's good in studies because that day when I came to your class, he was studying in
Yeah, he was very good. In my old school, I don't have any problem. In this school, I had problem. If my mom and my father didn't divorce, I no need to come to this school and I no need to change my life and I don't need to wait and I don't need to do anything. I am a free full life. Now I am a stressful life. Because I was in Selangor. To Selangor, I came here to Perth. I pindah my home. When my mom divorced, she do the bomo. My father was taking a lot of loans until he can't pay. For past 2 months, I was staying in hotel by hotel. About 2 months, me and my father and my brother.
I understand the frustration. Sorry for your parents' divorce. And life has to go on. Stop destroying your life and your future. Your mother has left your father, but now you must be a support to your father. Study hard and show good example.
My studies are
And
okay, teacher.
if you
but
don't have anyone outside, it's okay. As long as you are going on, you are happy, but do the correct thing. Do the right thing for your future. Because you're young, you're still young.
Yeah. My brother doesn't know that I wait for the 1 year.
He doesn't know your father came to school because of your taste.
He knew that, but he doesn't know that past 1 year I did. He doesn't know.
You went in the school or outside?
Outside my house.
Oh, he doesn't know. Your father doesn't come and check. He doesn't come and check your drawer or your belongings.
No, teacher. See okay, if I have father also, I can tell anything if important, I can tell to him. Because how many hours he stay in house? Morning 6 o'clock he will go to work. Night 12 o'clock he come.
Oh, that means no one in the house.
No one. There
What
is
about your
no
brother?
one. Same. He also come to after school. He come. He study a lot and this SPM they having extra class.
Oh, yeah.
So he can't even do anything in the house. Because washing the clothes, it's my department, and cooking is my brother's. But my brother having so much of stress and studies, so he can't even do anything properly. So I the one who need to handle all of this. and I'm having so much of stress because of my parents. I don't know what to do. But when I come to school, when I meet my friends, okay, everything, I don't even care anything. When I meet my friends, okay, I'm okay with that. When I was home alone, I'm finished.
Okay, what you can do now is keep on going with your routine. Okay, don't stress a lot. Do relax a lot. What do you do during your free time to relax?
Playing basketball.
Okay, keep going. And if you think you are very stressed, go out and jog. Go for a jog.
Yeah.
Jogging in the park.
Yeah, I'll go.
And try to forget as much as possible. Whenever you think, you feel like you think, try your level best to tell yourself, no, this is not my problem. I want to get out of this. I want to help myself. And I don't want to think about it anymore. And just forget about it. As simple as that. You just see slowly, you will forget. And you'll keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy with your activities. Okay, don't do anything stupid. So you got no any thoughts, right, for anything that's wrong? Please, I hope so, no, not. Don't,
I don't even do if I have a chance because that is a stupid thing anyway. So better I just avoid them. They're not in my life.
Very good. That's what I want to hear. I believe you are all supporting each other. I already talked to him already. He says he'll not follow you anymore already. And he'll keep a distance at school except if you go out. You can still go to her house and see her, but not at school. I warn you.
Teacher, whenever she go out, teacher just blame me. Why you let her to go out? Because she and him, she is the only Indian in my class. They just started to blaming me, teacher. That's what I get, man. So make sure she understand that. Please stay in class when you are in study. Really, also just stay. It's very important.
Whenever got relief, please go to the class fast. Don't be late, So because the school is responsible for your safety. We are not sure where you are at that point of time. So don't make the teachers wait. Please come into the class fast. What's it?
நான் ஜாவா வச்சுட்ருக்கேன். வச்சிருக்கேன், நான் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு கொஞ்சம்.
Okay. You. You share with me that you have issues with your family. Your parents are divorced. Your mother did some bomo and destroy your father's future. He lost a lot of money. And also his partnerships, but now he's struggling, working from 6 a.m. till 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. in the morning. He got no time for you, and the house chores is between you and a brother. He's also struggling with his SPM, and you are stressed because you have no attention from your father and mother. So now
after finish school, my brother will be going to sleep. That's all. He won't wake up until it's dinner time. When dinner time, he will wake up, eat, sleep. That's all.
Okay. So my advice to you right now is talk in front of the mirror. Talk in front of the mirror. If you feel very stressed, cry in front of the mirror. Don't vape and don't destroy your name in the school. And I know the case is going on. Try to avoid. Show good example. And hopefully you can go through this. Since your father has come, please write an appeal letter, because I know for you to wait for the another school is going to take time.
It's going to end your exam, teacher.
You're from 4, right? From 5. 2. From 2. Okay, so never mind. So still got time. So be very brave to face this, and please don't do anything stupid and in the class. And the teacher must not catch you again, because if catch you again, it's going to be exiled from the school, and you
Teacher,
cannot get another school.
sorry to ask.
She can.
Teacher, see teacher, they are just being a
Mop.
The boy asked he can come to in. Teacher, the one boy
Ask
asked
him to wait.
to wait.
Study
Okay.
poda.
And you do the case. You are meeting at the stairs, and you are following him at school, following her at school, and teacher caught you a few times. I hope nothing serious will happen, and I don't want any action on you. So please be safe and don't do anything wrong. If he follows you, tell him, "Mama, we'll meet at home." And please don't be a bad example in the school. Don't be a bad example. Jangan menunjukkan contoh yang salah pada orang. Jangan ada biar orang ada impresi yang salah atas you. Image you penting, so you dah form 4 kan. Next year you dah form 5. You kena fikir pasal you punya masa depan. Kalau you ada apa-apa masalah disiplin, you boleh dikeluarkan daripada sekolah. So jangan fikir dulu sebelum you buat benda yang tak betul kan. Betul kami.
She is not coming back.
Okay, I'll summarize for today. So the next I'll give you all the intervention sheet. Okay, for you to fill up. Hope that will help you all. Okay. Asul will come in.
Wait, teacher, let me.
Okay, and you Tanya, please concentrate, focus on the studies. Don't have a lot of crush, don't have a lot of boyfriends.
I don't have crush, teacher.
Okay. He just came and saw you just now. Okay, because you cannot focus if your mind is elsewhere. I will share the tips with you. Tips on how to study smart.
Starful.
Okay, so did I summarize correctly? Okay. So now go for your break. We're going to have cocoa after this. We will meet up again, discuss with each other when I can meet you all again. We'll have the next session.
Okay,
The next
sir.
session I'll give you all intervention sheet for you to do, and will help you all with your problems. Let me know what kind of activities you all like.
Masih what teacher?
No. I mean for counseling.
Obviously.
You all like to fill up sheets or draw, or you all want to
Anything also can, teacher.
anything?
Funny.
Okay, good.
Writing, drawing, anything.
When go for your breakfast, we'll see next session.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Support each other and help each other. Please. Okay.
Sir.
Ni yang dah 20 cepat.